Are you looking to download Toobit on your smartphone? Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily download and install the Toobit application on your smartphone or your tablets. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in Toobit and search. From the search result, look for this application from Hopeful Technology Cooperative Limited and then tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your device. Once the application is installed, tap on the Open button to launch open the app on your smartphone. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed the Toobit application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.